morning, students. Welcome to chemistry online class. Today we will discuss about unit 12 carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid. Topics are electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Carbonyl compounds and carboxylic acid இன்னும் நிறைய இருக்குன்னு நம்ம லாஸ்ட் வீடியோல நான் சொல்லியிருக்கிறேன். So next topic is electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. Electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. The first reaction is nitration. So nitration mixture is a concentrated H2SO4 concentrated HNO3. So benzaldehyde undergoes nitration process. We get a nitrobenzaldehyde, that is a particularly meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Meta-nitrobenzaldehyde plus water. So benzaldehyde electrophilic substitution reaction, the first reaction nitration. Nitration mixtures அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்றது concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid. Okay, so we are get the nitrating products is meta-nitrobenzaldehyde plus water. So next one is a sulfonation process. Sulfonation reagent is a concentrated H2SO4. So we are get a meta-benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. CHO SO3H plus H2O. So meta benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. Meta-benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. Meta-benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. So next benzaldehyde undergoes react with chlorine in presence of catalyst, particularly ferric chloride. Ferric chloride formula FeCl3. Benzaldehyde react with benzaldehyde undergoes chlorination in presence of catalyst. So catalyst is a ferric chloride to give metachlorobenzaldehyde. Metachlorobenzaldehyde byproduct is a hydrochloric acid. Metachlorobenzaldehyde எப்போது கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா presence of catalyst. The same benzaldehyde undergoes chlorination process but no catalyst. We are get a benzoyl chloride. Benzoyl chloride formula C6H5COCl plus HCl. Benzoyl chloride கொடுத்துரும். ஓகேங்களா? So that is formula C6H5COCl. So these are electrophilic substitution reactions of benzaldehyde. First nitration, we get meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. Another one is sulfonation, meta-benzaldehyde sulfonic acid. The same benzaldehyde undergoes chlorination in presence of catalyst, metachlorobenzaldehyde. But absence of catalyst, we are get a benzoyl chloride. Absence of catalyst, we are get a benzoyl chloride. Next one is electrophilic substitution reaction of acetophenone. Electrophilic substitution reactions of acetophenone. Acetophenone formula or structure acetophenone COCH3. Acetophenone undergoes nitration process. We get meta-nitroacetophenone. Meta-nitroacetophenone. Acetophenone undergoes nitration process. Nitrating mixture is a concentrated HNO3 and concentrated H2SO4. Okay, so to give COCH3NO2. So meta-nitroacetophenone. So electrophilic substitution reactions of acetophenone, only one type மட்டும்தான் நம்மகிட்ட bookல இருக்கு. One is that is a nitration. So acetophenone undergoes nitration. We are get a meta-nitroacetophenone. Meta-nitroacetophenone. Next, uses of aldehydes and ketones. Uses of aldehydes and ketones. The first one, formaldehyde. Formaldehyde formula HCHO. Formaldehyde formula HCHO. The first uses 40%. That is a very, very must. So important question. அடிக்கடி கேட்கக்கூடிய question. First point பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as formalin. 40% aqueous solution of formaldehyde is known as formalin. It is used for preserving biological specimen. It is used for preserving biological specimen. The next one is important. Formalin has a hardening effect. Hence it is used for tanning process. Mostly tanning process, that is a skin industries. தோல் பதனிடக்கூடிய தொழிற்சாலைகளில் நம்ம அதை பயன்படுத்துகிறோம். The third one is formalin is used in the preparation of thermosetting plastic. Thermosetting plastic, two types of plastic நமக்கு தெரியும். It is used for preparation of thermosetting plastic, particularly formaldehyde and phenol. Formaldehyde and phenol எதை கொடுக்கும் அப்படின்னா bakelite is a best example for thermosetting plastics. Okay, formalin is used in the production of thermosetting plastic known as bakelite, which is obtained by heating phenol with formalin or formaldehyde. Next uses acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde formula CH3CHO. Acetaldehyde formula CH3CHO. The first one is acetaldehyde is used for silvering of mirror. Acetaldehyde is used for silvering of mirrors. The next peraldehyde, that is acetaldehyde polymer of acetaldehyde known as a peraldehyde is used in medicine as a hypnotic. That is a sleep inducing drug. Okay, so that is a hypnotic. Is a known peraldehyde is used in a medicine as a hypnotic. Next, the third one is acetaldehyde is used in a commercial preparation of number of organic compounds like acetic acid, ethyl acetate, etc. Like acetic acid formula CH3COOH. So ethyl acetate, etc. Okay, the next uses of acetone. Next uses is acetone. The next uses of acetone. The first one, very, very important point. That is acetone is used as a solvent. Acetone is used as a solvent in the manufacture of smokeless powder. Smokeless powder, particularly that is known as a cardite. The one markல கேட்டிருக்காங்க cardite preparationக்கு என்ன காம்பவுண்ட் நாம யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் அப்படின்னு வந்திருக்கு எக்ஸாம்ல. தட் இஸ் அசிட்டோன். அசிட்டோன் ஃபார்முலா நமக்கு தெரியும் CH3CO CH3. ஓகே, ஸோ கார்டைட்டை ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. இட் இஸ் யூஸ்ட் ஆஸ் அ நெயில் பாலிஷ் ரிமூவர். It is used, acetone is used as a nail polish remover ஆகவும் நமக்கு யூஸ் ஆகுது. Next, it is used in the preparation of sulfonal. That is a hypnotic, sleeping induced drug use பண்ணிருக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா. So next, fourth one, it is used in the manufacture of thermo-softening plastic known as a perspex. Thermo-softening plastic is a perspex. So acetone uses cardite, very, very important. Next one is uses of benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde used as a flavoring agent, used as a perfumes, aromatic அப்படின்னு சொன்னாவே perfumes நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். Next, it is used as a dye intermediate. நிறைய ஆர்கானிக் காம்பவுண்ட் சிந்தசிஸ்ல ஸ்டார்டிங் மெட்டீரியலாகவும் நம்ம பென்சால்டிகைட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஓகேங்களா, as a starting material for the synthesis of several other organic compounds like cinnamaldehyde, cinnamic acid, benzoyl chloride, etc. Benzoyl chloride formula C6H5COCl. The next aromatic ketone, the final one is aromatic ketone uses Acetophenone, benzophenone is the best example for aromatic ketone. Acetophenone formula C6H5CO CH3, that is acetophenone. Benzophenone formula C6H5CO C6H5. So இவங்களுடைய uses என்ன அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா acetophenone has been used in a perfumery and as a hypnotic under the name of Hypnone. Acetophenone has been used in the perfumery and as hypnotic under the name Hypnone. The benzophenone formula C6H5CO C6H5 is used in the perfumery and in the preparation of a benzhydral drop. That is a very important. It is a preparation, main preparation uses பார்த்தீங்க அப்படின்னா benzhydral drop. Next, carboxylic acids. Carboxylic acid functional group is a COOH, general formula RCOOH. So based on present in R groups, carboxylic acid may be classified into two types. One is aliphatic carboxylic acid, another one is aromatic carboxylic acid. Next classification based on carboxyl group. Based on carboxyl group. So one carboxyl group is a present, that is a monocarboxylic acid. In case two carboxyl group is a present, that is a dicarboxylic acid. Otherwise, the 3 carboxyl group is a present, tricarboxylic acid and so on. Okay, so the major classification aliphatic carboxylic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. So carbon compounds containing a carboxyl functional group, carboxylic acid functional group, that is a COOH, are called carboxylic acid. The carboxyl group is the combination of carbonyl group. That is a carbonyl group. Carboxylic acid group is a combination of carbonyl group. That is a C double bond O. That is a carbonyl group. And the hydroxyl group. OH. Hydroxyl group. That is a combination of carboxylic acid. Both carbonyl group and hydroxyl group. However, carboxyl groups its own characteristics reaction. Carboxylic acid may be aliphatic, that is RCOOH. Aliphatic, that is RCOOH. Aromatic ARCOOH. Not for argon, that is aryl group. Aromatic carboxylic acid. Depending on the alkyl or aryl group attached to carboxyl carbon. Some higher members of aliphatic carboxylic acids, that is a C12 up to C12 to C18. That is a carbon count. C18. C12 to C18 known as fatty acids occur in natural fats as ester of glycerol. So aliphatic carboxylic acid C12 to C18 known as fatty acids occur in natural fats as ester of glycerol. The next nomenclature of carboxylic acid, that is IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acids. IUPAC nomenclature of carboxylic acid. The first carboxylic acid is formic acid. Common name of formic acid. Formula HCOOH. IUPAC name, see here, just one carbon atom is a present. One carbon is a present. The alkane name is a methane. Alkane name is a methane. E is removed and then added with the oic acid. So that is a methanoic acid. IUPAC name for in this carboxylic acid is a methanoic acid. HCOOH, common name formic acid. IUPAC name methanoic acid. The next one is CH3COOH. CH3COOH, common name acetic acid. Common name acetic acid. See here, 2 carbon is a present. The alkane is a ethane. E suffix நம்ம எடுத்துட்டு oic acid add பண்ணுங்க. So that is ethanoic acid. IUPAC name is ethanoic acid. The next third one is CH3 twice. CH3 twice. CHCOOH. CH3 twice. CHCOOH. That is isobutyric acid. So here 4 carbon atom is a present. 1, 2, 3, 4. Including carboxyl carbon also. So that is isobutyric acid. Common name is isobutyric acid. IUPAC name 1, 2, 3. So in the second carbon having another one methyl group is a substitute. So 2-methyl, the remaining 3 carbon propane. So 2-methyl propanoic acid, 2-methyl propanoic acid. So again one more time, HCOOH, that is a formic acid, is a common name. Common name otherwise called a trivial name. Common name otherwise called a trivial name. IUPAC name methanoic acid. Common name formic acid. IUPAC name methanoic acid. CH3COOH, that is acetic acid. Common name is acetic acid. IUPAC name ethanoic acid because 2 carbon atoms are present. So next one is in this compound CH3 twice. Common name CH3 twice CHCOOH, that is isobutyric acid. Common name isobutyric acid. IUPAC name in this methyl group is a substitute at the second carbon. Carboxyl carbon is a 1. So in this carbon 2, the last one is a 3. So 2-methyl propanoic acid. 2-methyl propanoic acid is the IUPAC name. Next one is aromatic carboxylic acid. That is a phenyl group. So CH2COOH. Actual formula C6H5CH2COOH. Common name is phenyl acetic acid. Common name phenyl acetic acid. In this group is a phenyl group. So phenyl group is attached into acetic acid. So acetic acid formula CH3COOH. One hydrogen is replaced here. Then substitute the phenyl group. So phenyl acetic acid is a common name. So IUPAC name, that is the first carbon, second carbon. Second carbon having phenyl group. Second carbon having phenyl group. So 2-phenyl acetic acid. 2-phenyl acetic acid. 2-phenyl acetic acid. IUPAC name change, sorry. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. So 2 carbon atom is present here. So second carbon having 1 phenyl group. So 2-phenyl, 2 carbon is a ethane. So ethanoic acid. So common name phenyl acetic acid. IUPAC name 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Next one is dicarboxylic acid. So next dicarboxylic acid. First dicarboxylic acid is oxalic acid. COOH, COOH. இதை நாம இப்படியும் எழுதலாம். COOH இப்படியும் இருக்கலாம். ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இப்படி போட்டாலும் கரெக்ட் தான். நம்ம புக்கில் இப்படி கொடுத்ததுனால நான் அப்படி கொடுத்துருக்கேன். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரியும் எழுதலாம். சரிங்களா? ஸோ தட் இஸ் அ dicarboxylic acid. First dicarboxylic acid is oxalic acid. Here 2 carbon atoms are present. So ethane, 2 functional group வந்ததுனால di suffix oic acid. So ethane dioic acid. So common name oxalic acid. IUPAC name or IUPAC name ethane dioic acid. So next dicarboxylic acid is malonic acid. 3 carbon atom is present. So 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atom is present. Straight chain எழுதலாம். But இப்படியும் எழுதலாம். So common name is malonic acid. IUPAC name is 3 carbon is propane. Propane dioic acid. The first aromatic carboxylic acid, again one more time, that is phenyl acetic acid. IUPAC name is 2-phenyl ethanoic acid because 2 carbon atom is present. Okay, so that is ethane ethanoic acid. Second carbon having phenyl group. So 2-phenyl ethanoic acid. Next dicarboxylic acid. First dicarboxylic acid is oxalic acid. So COOH, 2 carbon is present. So ethane, 2 carboxyl group வந்ததுனால di suffix as usual carboxylic acid க்கு oic acid முடிக்கணும். So ethane dioic acid. So next dicarboxylic acid is a malonic acid. So 1, 2, 3 carbon is present. So propane dioic acid. Next dicarboxylic acid is a succinic acid. Common name is a succinic acid. IUPAC name is a butane dioic acid. That is a 1, 2, 3, 4. So butane dioic acid. Common name succinic acid. 4 carbon is present. So butane. 2 carboxyl group is present. Dioic acid. The next COOH, CH2 3 times COOH. Total 5 carbon atom is present. The common name is glutaric acid. Common name glutaric acid. IUPAC name pentane. Penta means 5. So pentane dioic acid. Glutaric acid is a common name. IUPAC name pentane dioic acid. Next COOH. CH2 4 times COOH. That is adipic acid. Common name is adipic acid. இதுக்கு நம்ம லாஸ்ட் யூனிட்ல 15th யூனிட்ல பாலிமர்ல தேவைப்படுது. நைலான் 66 அப்படின்னு ஒரு காம்பவுண்ட் நாம ப்ரொடியூஸ் பண்ண போறோம். அந்த இடத்துல அடிபிக் ஆசிட் மீண்டும் நாம பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ அடிபிக் ஆசிட் ஃபார்முலா COOH, CH2 4 times COOH. Total 6 carbon is present. So hexane. Hexa means 6. Hexane dioic acid. So again one more time. Succinic acid CH2COOH, CH2COOH. ஷார்ட்டா நாம இப்படியும் இதை எழுதலாம். CH2 twice COOH. இப்படியும் எழுதலாம். சரிங்களா? So total 4 carbon, that is a butane dioic acid. So next one is a glutaric acid. COOH, CH2 3 times COOH. Total 5 carbon is present. So pentane dioic acid. The next one is a COOH, CH2 4 times COOH. Common name is adipic acid. In this dicarboxylic acid having 6 carbon. So hexane dioic acid. Hexane dioic acid. Next, methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid general formula, classification, nomenclature are over. So next, methods of preparation of carboxylic acid. First one, from primary alcohols and aldehydes. From primary alcohols and aldehydes. Primary alcohols and aldehydes can easily be oxidized. Can easily be oxidized to the corresponding carboxylic acids with oxidizing agent such as KMnO4, either acidic or alkaline medium. Acidic or alkaline medium. Next one is a potassium dichromate, acidic medium. So example, CH3, CH2OH. So CH3, CH2OH is a ethyl alcohol. CH3, CH2OH is a ethyl alcohol in presence of acidified potassium dichromate, K2Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate, acidified potassium dichromate. So there is a best oxidizing agent. Best oxidizing agent. So ethyl alcohol, one of the primary alcohol. So first of all, we are get acetaldehyde, CH3CHO. Again, in this acetaldehyde undergoes oxidation. We are get the final product is a carboxylic acid, particularly acetic acid, CH3COOH. Okay. So from primary alcohols and aldehydes. So primary alcohol, best example, ethyl alcohol. So ethyl alcohol undergoes oxidation. We are get acetaldehyde. Aldehyde கிடைக்குது. Again, this aldehyde undergoes oxidation process. We are get a carboxylic acid, particularly acetic acid. Okay. So primary alcohols and aldehydes can easily oxidize to the corresponding carboxylic acid. That means in this primary alcohol having 2 carbon atoms. Similarly, aldehyde also having 2 carbon atoms. So the final product acetic acid also having 2 carbons. That is corresponding carboxylic acid with oxidizing agents such as potassium permanganate, both acidified and alkaline. Potassium dichromate, acidic medium. Here we are utilized the acidified potassium dichromate act as a oxidizing agent. Next one is hydrolysis of, second topic is hydrolysis of nitriles. Nitriles otherwise called cyanides. Nitriles otherwise called cyanides. Nitriles yields carboxylic acid when subjected to hydrolysis with an acid or alkali. Nitriles yield carboxylic acids when subjected to hydrolysis with an acid or alkali. So best example, methyl cyanide. So methyl cyanide formula CH3C triple bond N undergoes hydrolysis 2 moles of water. 2 moles of water molecule in presence of acid. So see here, so HOH. Again HOH. 2 moles of water. HOH, HOH. ஓகேங்களா ஸோ த ரிமைனிங் இருக்கிறது மட்டும் பாருங்க CH3COOH CH3COOH plus NH3 ஸோ இந்த நைட்ரஜன் இந்த 3 ஹைட்ரஜன் கூட சேர்ந்து அமோனியாவாக வெளியில போயிடும் ஸோ ஃப்ரம் எங்கப்பா ஹைட்ராலிசிஸ் ஆஃப் நைட்ரில்ஸ் ஆசிட் hydrolysis of nitriles. Nitriles yield carboxylic acid when subjected to hydrolysis with an acid or alkali. Acid தான் நம்ம யூஸ் பண்ணியிருக்கிறோம். So methyl cyanide CH3CN or CH3C triple bond N undergoes hydrolysis. We get a acetic acid, that is a carboxylic acid. The next one is acid hydrolysis of ester. Acid hydrolysis of ester. Acid hydrolysis of esters. Esters on hydrolysis with dilute mineral acids. Esters on hydrolysis with dilute mineral acids yield corresponding carboxylic acid, particularly ethyl acetate. CH3COO C2H5. CH3COO C2H5. General formula for ester is RCOOR. Okay, so undergoes hydrolysis process in presence of mineral acids. See here, HOH. So CH3COOH, carboxylic acid, acetic acid. CH3COOH plus C2H5OH. So acid hydrolysis of esters என்ன எஸ்டர் எடுத்துருக்கோம் அப்படின்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா that is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetate undergoes hydrolysis process in presence of mineral acids. We get acetic acid and ethanol. Carboxylic acid acetic acid நமக்கு கிடைக்குது. Fourth one from Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent general formula is RMgX. General formula is RMgX. The best example for Grignard reagent is methyl magnesium iodide. From Grignard reagent, reacts with the carbon dioxide, that is a dry ice, carbon dioxide CO2, to form salts of carboxylic acid. First கிடைக்கிறது salts of carboxylic acid, which in turn give corresponding carboxylic acid after acidification with the mineral acid. Okay, first நாம் எடுக்கிறது Grignard reagent பாருங்க. So methyl magnesium bromide react with the carbon dioxide CO2. So இந்த R group என்ன செய்றீங்க அப்படினு பாத்தீங்கன்னா நாம இந்த இடத்துல நாம எடுக்க வேண்டியது dry ether. In presence of dry ether, இந்த R group, that is RMgX சொல்லிருக்கிறோம் இல்லைங்களா, அந்த R group மெத்தில் குரூப் இந்த கார்பனைல் கார்பன் கூட சேருங்க. அப்ப என்ன கிடைக்கும் அப்படின்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா CH3, ஓகேங்களா, அப்புறம் இந்த C டபுள் பாண்ட் O, OMgBr. இப்ப கிடைச்ச இந்த காம்பவுண்ட ஆசிட் ஹைட்ராலிசிஸ் செய்யுங்க. ஸோ இங்க நாம பிரேக் பண்ணுவோம். ஸோ இங்க வந்து OH, H. இந்த சைடு கார்பனைல் கார்பன் சைடு OH. ஸோ MgBr O இருக்க சைடுல H. ஸோ என்ன கிடைக்கும் பாருங்க, CH3COOH. CH3COOH plus MgOHBr. So that is acetic acid. Carboxylic acidல நமக்கு கிடைக்கிறது acetic acid. So இது வந்து Grignard reagentல நாம prepare பண்ணக்கூடியது. இதுல formic acid formula HCOOH. இந்த Grignard reagent மூலமா formic acid prepare பண்ண முடியாது. Because formic acid having just only one carbon atom is present. So formic acid cannot be prepared by Grignard reagent since the acid contains only one carbon. So similarly, aromatic la one paakalam parunga. Methyl magnesium bromide react with the carbon dioxide. Methyl magnesium bromide react with the carbon dioxide. We are get the acetic acid. So phenyl magnesium bromide C6H5MgBr, the same carbon dioxide. So அதே மெத்தட இங்க யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். So இந்த R குரூப்பை கார்பனல் கார்பன் கூட சேருங்க. C6H5 C double bond O OMgBr, same acid hydrolysis. அப்படியே சேம் ப்ரொசீஜரை யூஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த இடத்துல OH, இங்கே வந்து H கொடுங்க. ஓகேங்களா? C6H5 COOH MgOHBr. So there is a benzoic acid, aromatic carboxylic acid. First method நமக்கு கிடைச்சது acetic acid, that is aliphatic carboxylic acid. இங்க கிடைச்சிருக்கிறது benzoic acid, that is aromatic carboxylic acid. Next one, hydrolysis of alkyl halides and anhydrides. Alkyl halides, anhydrides different தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் நாம. Alkyl halides general formula RX. Anhydrides means what? That particular organic substance does not contain water molecules. Acid chlorides when hydrolyzed with acid chloride, that is alkyl halides, acid chlorides when hydrolyzed with water give carboxylic acid, particularly CH3 COCl plus H2O. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ இவனை என்ன பண்ணுறீங்க அப்படின்னா அசிட்டைல் குளோரைட் CH3COCl is acetyl chloride undergoes hydrolysis. We are get acetic acid. See here, ஸ்ப்ளிட் பண்ணுங்க. இங்க H, இந்த சைடு OH கொடுங்க. ஓகேங்களா? ஸோ எப்படி சார் நமக்கு ஃபார்ம் ஆகும் பாருங்க. CH3 COOH plus HCl. Okay, that is a substitution A. So next one is acid anhydride. Acid anhydride. Acid anhydride when hydrolyzed with water give corresponding carboxylic acid. Acid anhydride hydrolyzed with water give corresponding carboxylic acid. Best example, acetic anhydride. So acetic anhydride formula CH3COO COCH3 plus H2O. Acetic anhydride. இந்த இடத்துல ஸ்ப்ளிட்டேஷன் நடத்துவோம் நாம. ஸோ இங்க வந்து ஹெச்சும் இங்க OHம் கொடுங்க. See here, CH3COOH, similarly CH3COOH. So 2 moles of acetic acid is produced. 2 moles of acetic acid. Acid anhydride நாம hydrolysis process utilize பண்ணும்போது 2 moles கிடைக்குது. Particularly acetic anhydride undergoes hydrolysis process. We are getting 2 moles of acetic acid. The last one, oxidation of alkyl benzene. Alkyl benzene best example வந்து நம்ம toluene சொல்லலாம். Alkyl benzene. Aromatic carboxylic acids can be prepared by vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline KMnO4. Vigorous oxidation of alkyl benzene with chromic acid or acidic or alkaline KMnO4. The entire side chain is oxidation to carboxyl group, COOH group, irrespective of the length of the side chain. Okay, the best example, toluene. Okay, toluene undergoes a hydrolysis, that is a OH minus, alkaline KMnO4, 3 numbers of oxygen. 3 numbers of oxygen, we get a benzoic acid. Benzoic acid C6H5COOH. ஓகேங்களா? பேலன்ஸ் வந்து நமக்கு H2O அப்படின்னு பை ப்ராடக்ட் கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு கிளாஸ் இந்த டாபிக்கோட ஓவர். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸ் இன்னும் நமக்கு இதில் நிறைய டாபிக்ஸ் இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் கிளாஸில் நம்ம பார்க்கலாம். தேங்க்யூ.